The Ministry of Commerce and Industry reported on July 29 that India's foreign direct investment inflow exceeded rupees 6 lakh crore in fiscal year 2021 to 2022. FDI equity inflow in manufacturing sectors increased 76% from FY21 to FY22, reaching rupees 1,58,332 crore. Government policy measures have increased FDI inflow, the release said. The FDI inflow in FY21 stood at USD 81.97 billion, the ministry had said in a statement issued in May. Singapore tops 27%, followed by the US 18% and Mauritius 16%. Among sectors, computer software and hardware attracted maximum inflow. It was followed by the services sector and automobile industry, the data showed. According to the ministry, the government has a liberal and transparent FDI strategy. Except for strategically important sectors, most sectors are open to 100% FDI under the automobile route. Subject to FDI policy, foreign investment in manufacturing is automatic, it said.